Alright, here we are back on the bench. I got another stack of these. 4 or 5 of them just came in a big bulk pack. All of them are walking and talking. So I've got 2 of them on order right now. This one, what's this one getting? Let's see. Alright, this one is getting a custom black face with all white lettering, variable power. It's getting an amp and a full lighting upgrade. Yep, so all the basics, swing kit, the whole 9. But this is the start of it here. Factory candle in there. You know, this is I want to say this one is a 93, but get some scratches. We're gonna have to do something with those covers. But it's walking and talking. Dead key in 3. Hello. Hello. 1, 2, 3 audio. 1, 2, 3 audio. Thing's basically dead. Hello. Hello. We'll do 5 on a whistle and then come swinging right back. All right, let's test the receiver on it. Be right back. All right, so receiver's working. We're at -97, 50% modulation. You can hear it. You can go down even further. -107. You know, if the camera's picking it up, you can still hear it. -117. It's very faint and starts to fade, but that is at 50% modulation. Go back up to 100. You can still hear it very faint. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. But the meter is stuck, as you can see. It isn't moving. Going up. Coming down. So that's either stuck or something's going on with that. So we'll check that out when we're in there. But the receiver is working. Like I said, I wanted to check for S9, but that's not going to happen. But all right, we're going to get into this thing and start seeing what we're working with. All right, so now that I'm back inside this thing, somebody already did put a swing kit in it. See that jumper's gone, and there's a cap in there, and they did put the resistor on the back to try to set the dead key, and it's got variable power. We were going to install variable power, but it's got variable power on the RF gain control, but it's not installed correctly. They just have the wires disconnected and run into that resistor. So as you saw before, this thing was dead key in 3 watts, and it was only swinging 5. If I turn the dead key down, as you can see there, yeah, hello, 1, 2, 3 audio on the bird, 25 watt slug. Yeah, hello, 1, 2, 3 audio. 1, 2, 3 audio. So it was swinging 5 before with the low dead key. Bring the dead key down to 1. Yeah, hello. Double. Now we're swinging 10. Alright? But if we bring the dead key up, this is how you can tell it's not done right. If you bring the dead key up, now it's up to 3. Yeah, hello. 1, 2, 3 audio. Yeah, hello. 1, 2, 3 audio. The swing completely disappears. So we're going to fix that. Just wanted to show you. So yeah, dead key all the way up, 3 watts. Yeah, hello, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, hello, 1, 2, 3, audio. Doing nothing. Dead key all the way down. Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello, 1, 2, 3, audio. And that's with a regular old stock microphone. So, yeah, we're going to change that out anyway. Put the proper variable power in there and then watch what it does. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so looking a little bit further in here, meter DOA, like we said before, the resistor connecting these 2 posts is gone. Somebody did at some point replace the light, as you can see. This is some shoddy work here. Splice them together, wrap this one with some electrical tape. This is the hot one. Nothing, no shrink wrap, no nothing, just sitting there, wrapped in, you know, wrapped in on these variable power leads going out to the resistor there. Yep. So yeah, you know, that would explain what's going on with this meter. So all right, let's get a little bit further into this, see what else we find. All right, so to do the variable power the way we do it, drilling the hole now to put the transistor in there, doing the heatsink compound on it now. I'm going to mount it right there. We're going to detach these wires here, and everything's going to get ran through the transistor, so you get more range on your variable power, more stable, and you won't have the issue with it bottoming out, you know what I mean, where you adjust the dead key too far up and you lose all your swing. This is gonna completely balance it. I'm leaving this cap in here for now. I might go back after and change the value of it, but I want to get this set up and then tune it and see where we are. But all right, so hole drilled, getting the transistor mounted. We're going to change the wiring on this. I'm going to leave it right in the same spot, the variable power on the RF power, on the RF gain, but just changing the way it's done so it'll actually be functional. So I'm going to remove these. All right, and we'll be back. All right, so we basically got this thing just about wrapped up. All the wiring's all cleaned up, re-zip tied, board's all cleaned off, sprayed out. I just cleaned and lubed all the switches and controls. All the potentiometers on here, done. I just set it for X9. We did the receive adjustment on it. Got the amp all mounted in. So we're just about buttoning this thing up. The only thing we're waiting for is the new face for it. Everything's being held up because of the storms in the Midwest. But this radio is just about locked up. So what we're going to do is do the face on it, and I'll be able to show you the finished product. All right, so here we go. Face finally came in. Everything was held up in the mail between the holidays and all the weather out in the Midwest, so it took another 10 days longer than normal, but all set. Covers are all cleaned up nicely. Still a little bit of wear on the bezel just from use. This is a 89 manufacture date, so it's not perfect. This is the heavy duty power cord that it's going to come with, 6 foot with the updated fuse, all 12 gauge, to supply it with enough power for the amp. Here's the custom face, all black with the white lettering. Replaced the meter with a white backlit. The LED doesn't play nice with the camera, so it looks like it's blurred out, but looking at it with your eye, it's not nearly like that. Blue RX light that switches to red when you key up, blue channel display. The on-off switch for the amp is on the old channel 9 jump switch. And the RF power is on the old RF gain. So that's all squared away, but nice looking. This is the first black and white one we've done, but I actually kind of like it, so we'll definitely be doing more. But all right, on the meter, 1.5 dead key. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 audio. Swinging just about 10. This is with a stock mic, and with all of them, the limiter is still in this radio because you take them out, makes the thing super dirty, and then when you run it through the little built-in amp, it just amplifies the dirtiness, and the thing sounds like garbage. So the limiter is in this radio, but switch the amp on, go up to a 200 watt scale. Now a dead key in 10. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 audio. Swinging about 50, and I got it set to 12.7. You could bring the voltage up to 14. And it'll swing close to 60, but we're just taking it easy on it. But so yep, just wanted to show you what the finished product was, so from start to finish, go over everything that we did. This one's going to be going up on the eBay store very, very soon. But there it is, finished project. Just another one wrapping up, and now we're going to go into the stack and pull out 2 more. But thanks for taking a look at this. If you haven't subscribed yet, just please subscribe. Need more videos coming out more regularly now that the holidays are over. I can spend more time on this bench. But yep, there's the finished product. Give us a like, subscribe, support the channel so we can keep cranking these out. In the next couple weeks we're going to be making some custom antennas, so you want to get the alert for that. But all right, thanks for taking a look, and we'll catch you down the wire. 73s.